Welcome back. Let's take a closer look at our Python multiplication table program, step by step. Our goal is to take a number from the user and print its multiples from 1 to 10. The first line handles user input. The input function pauses the program and waits for the user to type something and press enter. It always returns a string, like the text 10. Because we need to perform math, we wrap input inside the int function. This converts that string into an integer, a whole number, and stores it in the variable named num. Next, we use a for loop to repeat an action. The range function generates a sequence of numbers. We give it two arguments, a start value of 1 and a stop value of 11. In Python, the range stops just before the second number, so this will generate numbers from 1 up to 10. Each time the loop runs, the variable I takes on the next number in that sequence. Inside the loop, we print the result. Notice the letter F before the quote? This creates an F string, or formatted string literal. It allows us to insert variables directly into the text by wrapping them in curly braces. We insert our chosen num, the current loop counter I, and finally the calculated product of num multiplied by I. Let's see it in action. If we run the script and enter the number 10, the loop runs 10 times, perfectly formatting and calculating each line. And that's how you build a simple, effective multiplication table in Python.